Felix Val, Director of Workshops for the NFPT, National Federation of Professional Trainers. Welcome to a tour of our live, hands-on workshops. At NFPT, we have structured flexible and unique workshop options, which include our popular worldwide two-day events, as well as our 40, 80, and 300-hour programs, available at our South Florida main workshop location, situated inside the educational facilities of Global Fitness Educators. Your success as a fitness professional highly depends on the ability to apply theoretical knowledge. Our team of NFPT instructors are here to help you achieve that goal. If you learn better in an interactive environment or just looking for the extra edge in mastering the NFPT principles in a hands-on way, then this workshop is for you. For more information on dates, different workshop options, and enrollment procedures, please visit www.nfpt.com/workshops or call 1-800-729-6378, extension 108. We look forward to hearing from you.